In this tutorial, you'll learn how to view all the Wi-Fi passwords saved on your Android device. This is especially useful when you need to reconnect a device or share a network with someone. Start by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen to access the Quick Settings panel. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Once you're in Settings, tap on Connections, then select Wi-Fi. In the Wi-Fi menu, look to the top right corner and tap the 3 vertical dots, which open additional options. From the drop-down, select Advanced Settings, then tap on Manage Networks. Here, you'll see a list of all Wi-Fi networks your device has connected to in the past. Scroll through the list and find the specific network whose password you'd like to view. Tap on that network name to open its settings. Look for a small eye icon next to the password field. Tap this icon to reveal the saved password. If prompted, you'll need to verify your identity, usually by scanning your fingerprint or entering your phone's PIN. This security step ensures only authorized users can access saved passwords. Once verified, the saved Wi-Fi password will be clearly displayed on your screen.